Hello! Today we're going to do the funnel starting point on Hack the Box, so let's go. Okay, so the first thing we do is Nmap. So we do an Nmap scan. Let's see what we find. First question, how many TCP ports are open? And that's 2 ports. And what is the name of the directory that is available on the FTP server? We try to log in, we do FTP and then the IP, and we try anonymous. Anonymous. I do ls. It says mail backup. Mail backup. And then what is the default account password that every new member on the funnel team should change as soon as possible? Ooh. Okay, so I CD'd into mail backup, and here I see 2 files, password policy and welcome. So I'm going to download the password policy PDF. So I'm gonna do get password policy .pdf. And I'm also gonna get the other one just in case there is something that we need in there. Get welcome. And then 28/11/2022. So now I just clear the terminal because it was full, and then I do quit, bye bye, and now I go into the password policy.pdf. What? Ah, okay, so I just found out that you can't cat a PDF file, you have to open it. That's useful information, thank you. Okay, so we do open. Yeah, so we do open and then just a period, because then we get this page right here, or the downloads page, and we're supposed to have the PDF that we downloaded here. I mean, that was not the right one. Password policy. Here we can see a password policy. Right over here it says which password they should change it to. So I'm just gonna copy this, put it in here, and then which user has not changed their default password yet? Do we have to FTP again? Oh. Okay, so now we are going to continue to foothold, or yeah, basically taking over the machine, logging in, and we are going to use SSH and Hydra. So the first thing we need to do is install Hydra. Whoa, it's not sudo apt install, it's sudo apt get install. So it's usually pre-installed, but I'm gonna install it in case it's not. Then I'm gonna clear. Here we see there all the emails that this email was sent to, and we're going to put all these names before the @funnel.htb in a file and name it usernames.txt. So that's what I'm doing now. Nano and then usernames dot txt. Christine and Maria, and then we do Control O and then enter and then exit. And now we have our list. What we do now is I'm going to paste a string command here. I do my target IP. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. Okay, so now we're trying to find a username which has this as the password. Funnel123 hashtag explanation points hashtag. And we see Christine. Which user has not changed their default password yet? Yeah, okay, so the default, yeah, she hasn't changed her default password, so it's Christine. So to log in as Christine, we do SSH because there was a port 22 SSH, and then Christine, and then at IP address, I'm just gonna do yes. Oop. Christine's password, and that's funnel123 hashtag. And now we're in. From this point on, we have complete access as the Christine user. And we can start enumerating for potential files or services that we can explore further. So now I'm going to use the ss command, which stands for socket statistics, and can be used to check which ports are listening locally on a given machine. ln, and t displays TCP sockets, L displays only listening sockets, and N do not try to resolve service names. Here we have a local host 127.0.0.1 with the port 5432. We only do TL, so we do SS TL. Maybe we have a space in there as well. And here we can see the local host and PostgreSQL. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But yeah, it's SQL. It's a type of SQL language. So that's what is running on the port 5432 of the local host. So it's PostgreSQL. Since you cannot access the previously mentioned service from the local machine, you will have to create a tunnel and connect to it from your machine. What is the correct type of tunneling to use? Remote port forwarding or local port forwarding? How do you want this to be? Oh yeah, local port forwarding. And what is the name of the database that holds the flag? I'm just trying stuff now. I have no idea if this is gonna work. No. And then we do SS again with TLNP, and we are downloading the SQL. That's fine. Then we do PSQL-U for username, and we do Christine. Then H for, I guess, host. You can do local host Then port 1, 2, 3, 4. Funnel 1, 2, 3. Hashtag. Wait. Hashtag. Yeah, so we are going to do slash. Now we've gotten a table with some names, or they're all Christine. So there is a database called secrets. So what we do now is we do the slash, the forward slash, the backslash. It's the backslash, it goes backwards. Okay. C, and then secrets. Oh. Slash again, and then DT. And there is a flag here, and I am so excited. So we have to get everything that's in the flag part of the secrets database. Select everything from flag. Cannot forget the semicolon. And here we have one value, and that one value is our flag. Yeah, the name of the database was secrets. And then submit flag. Yeah, could you use a dynamic tunnel instead of local port forwarding? Yes, you could. Submit the flag, and I'm so happy that I did this. Okay, so now we are moving into a territory where I think this is hard. Like, I really struggle with these ones. Like the past, or the last 3 starting points, I think 3 or 4, 3, 4. I have been struggling, so I'm gonna say a bit hard. And now I'll see you in the next starting point. Goodbye.